Hello, good morning everyone. I have a unique breakfast suggestion for those who are in diet. And of course, yung mga nagtitipid. Ayan. First, you have to get a pandesal and then make butas-butas like this. And then, pour out the ketchup. And, ganun lang kasimple. Kain. Suwak na suwak sa mga nagtitipid at walang pambili. Parang burger na rin, pero yun nga lang, walang palaman. Good morning everyone. Stay tuned for more breakfast suggestion for those who do not have budget. This is Hermes Ulite reporting.